Hey, welcome back. Look at this shirt, y'all. Well, it's a sweater. It's so cute. Like, it says Paris with the Eiffel Tower, and it's in like that really pretty color of blue. Oh my gosh, I love it. But I just realized something else. So you see this? Now look. It turns into red. That is so freaking cute. But anyway, y'all already know how I do about these shirts. I plays no games when it comes to my clothing. None whatsoever. But anyway, look. So, I went ahead on and I watched the little, haul that Strong Mommy Chrissy did. Now, the first outfit, if I'm not mistaken, was like a pencil skirt, and then it had like a t-shirt, and they were both in like blue. And she had a little belt around it. I mean, I'm gonna let y'all know right there, that skirt right there and that t-shirt, that shit was fucking horrible. See, this is what I'm trying to understand, y'all. When they do these actual sponsorships for all these different Instagram stores and all of that, do you actually get to pick what you want to put on, or do you have to wear what they send out to you? Because a lot of times the shit that they send out, it just don't be cute. You get what I'm saying? I feel like you should actually be able to pick your stuff, because that will help you bring their clothing line across better. Okay. The other thing that blew the shit out of me too, before I go into the other one, is the fact that this was a plus size store. So if that's the case, why didn't you have somebody on there that was plus size? Like, me, I'm plus size or whatever. Yeah, so I mean, I really didn't kind of get that, because when you are a plus size person and somebody puts the outfit on a skinny person, it's kind of like, that's not going to look the way it look on you. I'm trying to see how it's going to look on somebody that is a 1X, a 2X, a 3X. You get me? Maybe I'm making too much sense. Okay. So anyway, the next outfit that she had on was like some polka dot and red biker shorts. And then it had the thick filet shirt, which you could get that shirt anywhere at Etsy. I mean, you can get that anywhere. I've been saw it. So it was like, yeah. So, I mean, the shirt, don't get me wrong, was cute. But I feel like that shirt would have looked it so much better if you had on some real cute jeans, some skinny leg jeans, and a cute pair and a cute pair like shoes, like some slides. Like, I probably would have wore like some Gucci flip-flops or something like that. That's probably what I would have did. Or yeah, that's what I would have did. So the next outfit she had was some more biker shorts, if I'm not mistaken, and it was a shirt, and it wasn't authentic, but it was cute. It was a Chanel shirt, had Chanel going across it, but I don't remember what else it said. I want to say it said "will work" for Chanel, but that sweater was very cute. The problem was it was way too big for Chrissy. Like, the sleeves was like all the way down here, but that was cute. I wouldn't have worn that, because I kind of like authentic stuff. Yeah, I wouldn't do. But anyway, so the next outfit that she had on, it was like a tie-dye outfit with like some purple and I think maybe teal. Let me tell you, baby, that right there was fire. With the little leggings and the shirt, oh my God, that was so cute. So cute, okay? Now, let's move on from this actual haul. You did kind of okay. You get 2 outfits out of 4 that looked good. Hey, but you probably think that each one of them look good anyway, so it is what it is. Now, I had the opportunity, because someone sent it to me to watch. Wait a minute. Yeah, someone sent it to me to watch a video, a dinner video with all of her kids. So I go ahead on over there, right? And right off the bat, let me tell you something. I was blown. Okay, I was blown. So all you see is, first of all, what really blew me too was the fact that through this whole entire video, she had all of her kids there. But what was weird is the one that, doesn't like to eat, she kind of, it seemed like she was kind of deterring from showing his face or his features. The rest of the kids, let me tell you, these kids are not babies. So therefore, a baby will stand up in a chair. I get that. Like Onyx, like Blaze, I understand that. But her kids that were of some age that did not need to go in the bathroom and need you to help them wash up, okay? Because that's the age that they are. They were the ones even standing up in the chairs. I don't know if they call themselves standing up in them because the chairs looked like they were disgusting and they didn't want to sit down. But yes, they were all standing up in the chairs. They might as well, I'm going to be honest with y'all, they might as well had got on top of the table and sat Indian style. That's how bad it was. Y'all already know. I'm not going to lie to you and I'm not going to sugarcoat that shit. It was ridiculous, okay? So the thing that got me was that they were acting so inappropriately. Like, if y'all could see my face, I felt like I literally wanted to get up, dive through the screen, and shake the fuck out of all of them. Chrissy had to literally stop and tell them in so many ways, if y'all don't shut the fuck up, when this camera goes off, I am going to fuck you up, you up, you up, you up, you up twice, okay? You 3 times. You 4. That's what I mean, yeah. So she did that, and then she came back on. When I tell y'all, I don't know if it was chicken or whatever, she made a salad, she said, with like cucumbers and bacon bits or whatever, and she had some cornbread. I'm gonna tell y'all right now, y'all already know I cook, okay, and I'm fat. Everybody in my house is fat because I cook, okay, and I can cook good. Now, that fucking cornbread, I don't know what type of cornbread that was. I ain't never seen no white cornbread. Never. Never. I would like you to go ahead on and give us a tutorial on making that white cornbread. Because maybe this is some organic type of, you know what I mean, cornbread. Because it definitely ain't no fucking Jiffy Mix. It definitely ain't. Okay? Now, like I said, I don't know. This might be the organic, okay? So, when I tell y'all, it was like a scene from a damn movie. It was like a scene from a movie. I mean, you had this person grabbing, you had that person grabbing, you had this person grabbing. The homeless people, when they come to the soup kitchen and they get their food and they sit down and eat it, they made them look like they were angels. I'm not lying, y'all. If y'all think I'm lying, go to her cooking channel and look at this video. Have y'all, I'm pretty sure, y'all remember that movie, that old ass movie, and it was called Silence of the Lambs? That one right there? Yeah, that one. Y'all remember how they had him in a cage because his ass was that crazy? And they would tell him to move and then slide his tray up. And they wouldn't even give him no knives, no forks, no nothing. Okay? That is how Chrissy might as well did. She might as well had brung the food and slid it and ran in her room, jumped in her air mattress, and locked the door and turned the lights off like her best friend Jasmine does. That's what she might as well have done. Y'all, I had not seen nothing like this, okay? I mean, they were grabbing the food. They were, standing up in the chairs. One of them, I watched her wipe her mouth on a chair. I mean, I don't know. And I don't know where, you get what I'm saying, her boyfriend is, Dreddy the Locky. I call him Dreadlock. I don't know where he was at. I don't know where Locks was at, okay? But if Locks was there, come on now. You needed to step in and help her. Because that right there was a whole movie from out of this world, okay? That right there was something that I would have never let y'all see right there. And see, Chrissy normally is good about that. Chrissy ain't gonna put up no shit like Jasmine did. That's why I understand why the fuck Jasmine do it. Because she damn sure don't see Chrissy do that shit. So, I mean, I wouldn't have put it up. I mean, it was like, I'm just sitting there at the screen looking like, okay, so you just gonna stand up on top of the table maybe, all right? And you just gonna go right head over there and you gonna wipe your entire mouth on a cloth chair, okay? Yeah. Then Chrissy is over there blowing the fuck out of me, trying to give them salad with a damn spatula. I'm like, this shit is fucking crazy. That whole scene right there was like a field day, all right? I could imagine what happens when she has to do at home school learning. I could imagine. Okay, and what I'm gonna say is she ain't never lying. She definitely well, you know what? I can't say that because I know somebody that's on YouTube right now and they got 8 kids and they do. So I can't even say that. But like I said, this shit was like fucking ridiculous. I was like, oh, they ain't got 1 ounce of manners anywhere. They might as well have just said, gimme. Like, the way they are, I would think when she is cooking, one probably is on this side of her, one probably is on this side of her. Somebody is probably in the back, a whole line of them like, Mommy, I'm ready with my plate. I'm ready. You go fix the juice. Go fix our juice so we can hurry up and eat because I'm hungry. We did not eat since the quarantine, okay? That's how they was. Like, we didn't eat. It's been like 4 months. I am ready to eat. And Chrissy still at the, she at the stove. Like, okay, y'all. I'm sorry that, I was ordering all that seafood and stuff. And I wasn't sharing it with y'all. But I didn't think that it would make a big problem like this. Now, all of y'all only weigh 5 pounds each. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm going to see y'all in the next video.